Hello, we're at 333 4th Avenue, and this is apartment 1. We're in the Inner Richmond here, 4th Avenue at Clement. And Clement is great because there's tons of shopping and dining and all sorts of day-to-day conveniences. It's a very walkable neighborhood. All right, right when you come in the front door of this apartment, you'll find there's hardwood floors throughout. Got nice big hall closet here. Okay, when you come in, the linen closet. Here is the bathroom. Shower over tub. Tile floor and tile surround. Have a mirrored medicine chest and then some storage here under the bathroom sink. We'll do the bedroom first. Big bedroom. You could do queen or a king size, and it's got a great window seat. Nice big bay window here. So in terms of exposure, we're roughly facing northeast out of these windows. Okay. Couple of shelves on the wall there. And then it's got a really big closet. Okay, next we're going to check out the living room. Also has a window seat. Some nice built-in shelves there. Gas wall-mounted heater. Little pass-through to the kitchen. Room for a table. More built-ins. This unit has really good storage. Okay, and then we've got white appliances, gas stove, fridge, nice built-in spice rack there. Plenty of cabinet space. And then little back porch area with some more shelving and the hot water tank here for the unit. And this back door just takes you down a flight of stairs to the tradesman entrance where the trash and recycling bins are. And just know that there is laundry on site here at this building as well. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Go ahead and reach out and we'll get an appointment set up and have you come on over and check it out in person. 333 4th Avenue, apartment 1. Thanks for watching.